My name is Devi Vishwakumar. I'm a sophomore. I sit behind you in history class. So here's the thing. I'm into you. I could name every class you've had for the last 2 years. And I know you'd never be my boyfriend because you're you and I'm me.
Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? I said don't look back, but I go right back. All of a sudden I'm hypnotized.
But I was wondering if you would ever consider having sex with me?
You turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around.
Just sex, right?
Just sex.
You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want. Do you love it when you keep me guessing? When you leave and then you leave me stressing. But I can't stay bad when you walk.
Did you just smell me?
No.
Okay. Wait, I think we've done some good work today. Should we take a break?
Paxton, this is the first card.
Is anything broken?
This dress is really padded. I'm fine. Are you here as my friend or as my...
Yeah, maybe. Make me say it.
You turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
So, I guess I'm Paxton Hall-Yoshida's girlfriend now.
I guess so.
I wonder what that's gonna be like.
Switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want to.
You know, at first glance, we probably seem like a real odd couple. Because, you know, you're Paxton Hall-Yoshida, and I'm just very little me with no abs.
Hey, don't talk about yourself like that. Come on, you're awesome. You're beautiful, you're smart.
When we walk down the halls, I know what everyone's thinking. Oh, why is he with her? He's too good for her.
I don't think we can have a real relationship until you like yourself.